an AI that guides you in creating winning trading strategies. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll find this tool useful. In this video, we're going to break down how you can use the LuxAlgo Backtesting Assistant, from logging in and exploring different strategies to customizing and fine-tuning them to match your style. By the end of this video, you'll see just how transformative this assistant can be for saving you time, boosting your confidence, and making smarter trading decisions. Let's get started. You can access the AI Backtesting Assistant directly from our website, or by going to luxalgo.com/backtesting as an ultimate user. Once logged in, you'll land on a dashboard where you can start requesting strategies. To get started, you'll see prompt suggestions, or you can type your own in the chat box. We'll start by using one of the suggestions. Provide a strategy with simple conditions and good results. Keep in mind that while it has access to thousands of strategies, it will only return a couple at a time to avoid overwhelming users. In this table, you can see details for each strategy, such as the ticker, toolkit, net profit, and more. Below that, it will provide you with more in-depth details, such as the exact entry conditions of that strategy, and even the date the first trade was taken. And now that we have two strategies, we can dig deeper with the AI to compare the strengths and weaknesses. This can help identify issues we might overlook initially. For example, between these two strategies, when we look at the weaknesses, we see the price action concept strategy has a small number of trades, something you might not have noticed at first. So, let's ask the AI for a price action concept strategy with a higher trade count. Now, we get a strategy with more trades, but notice the asset has changed. This highlights an important point. To get the best results, we need to be specific with our prompts, letting the AI know exactly what we need. For example, I could input, provide me a strategy using the signals and overlays indicator on Bitcoin 5-minute time frame. The strategy should have over 50 trades and a high profit factor. By specifying the toolkit, asset, time frame, number of trades, and profit factor, we guide the AI towards more targeted outcomes. And while it's great to have the system just provide strategies, we can use it beyond that to develop more complete trade ideas. For example, let's say we're trying to determine which asset to trade. We can ask the AI, with your understanding of Bitcoin and Solana, which of the two is more volatile? So it seems Solana is more volatile. If Solana is more volatile, we can ask, what strategy is good for trading volatile markets? And it provides us with a number of options. Let's go with mean reversion strategies. Now, let's ask, provide me with a mean reversion strategy for Solana using the signals and overlays toolkit that has over 50 trades and a high profit factor. Notice this time I did not specify the time frame or the features to use. This is because, in this scenario, I am most concerned about the profit factor. The AI already understands how mean reversion strategies work and what features from the indicator to use for such a strategy. I just want a strategy that has more wins than losses over the last 50 trades. It's good to remember that by not being too specific, the AI can search through more conditions. So, if you're having trouble locating a strategy, consider loosening the conditions a bit. A single change can make a huge difference. Now, looking at the results, we can see it's using contrarian signals from the signals and overlays toolkit. This is good for mean reversion strategies. It has over 100 trades, has a high profit factor, and a really low drawdown. Now, this is good, but let's ask for some more details. When was the last trade for this strategy, and what time frame is this strategy on? And now we know the last trade wasn't too long ago, and this strategy is on the 5-minute time frame. And we can see the net profit of the strategy, but we can also ask the AI to provide the net profit as a percentage of the starting balance. It's important to remember that all strategies in the AI are back-tested using a balance of $10,000 and the same order size, so the profit is relative to the trade size and account balance used. To demonstrate this, assuming we like this strategy, let's go ahead and recreate it on our chart. First, we'll go to our Solana chart on the 5-minute time frame. Since this strategy is for the Signals and Overlays toolkit, we'll also pull up our Signals and Overlays backtester. The strategy starts on August 23rd, 2024, so we'll input that into the start window. Now we'll need to enter the long and short conditions. This strategy is using normal contrarian bullish signals along with the bearish trend tracer for long conditions. The short conditions are using normal contrarian bearish signals with the bullish trend tracer, and just like that, we now have the strategy on our chart. We can go to the Properties panel and change the account size and order size to better match our real-world account balance. From here, we can further develop this strategy by asking the AI how we can further improve metrics such as the win rate or drawdown. The possibilities are endless. Let's look at some other strategies we can find using the AI Backtesting Assistant. Let's ask, across all tickers, provide me with a strategy that has over 2,000 trades and a low drawdown. And just like that, We've gotten a strategy with a low drawdown and over 2,000 trades, which would usually take forever to develop on your own. We can also ask the system to provide us with 3 strategies, all with over 50 trades. Comparing multiple strategies allows us to identify the strengths and weaknesses of each, helping us choose the most suitable one for our specific trading goals. We can also be very specific with the features we'd like to use. We can ask the AI to provide us with a strategy that uses the steps feature from the price action concepts, has a drawdown below 30%, and also uses the liquidity grab as part of the steps. And there it is. We've truly made it that simple to find a strategy. So go down to the link in the description for access, and you'll be able to experiment with different strategies that work best for your trading goals right away. We have many updates planned that we can't wait to share with you, and look forward to your feedback. Thank you for watching.